Hello, I'm Emme Weimer, reporting for Shawnee TV. The Shawnee girls bowling team is in the midst of a very exciting season. Practicing weekly, the team has become really great friends. I had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Looney, the head coach, and one of the team captains.
A reason to join is it's a fun experience, it's competitive, it is a varsity sport, but it's also a fun atmosphere. You see a good cross-section of students from different populations from throughout the school. So overall, it's a fun time, and you get to compete as well.
I think people should join the bowling team because, like I said, it's so unique and it's such a great community to be in. And it's always good to try something new, and most people come in to bowling without any experience. So it's just a great new hobby you can try out for a year, It's good.
And you can learn, and a lot of times people get into it and they don't realize in the matches how competitive they can get. So you can really learn, test yourself in a competition, and you can also learn, hey, just with practice and repetition and a little bit of work ethic, something you might have just done for fun or maybe done at a family outing, you can really grow into it, and you can really master the sport and evolve in the sport and really come a long way from where you end up compared to where you started.
I would say don't be afraid to just try it out, because the worst that could happen is that you don't do well. But we all have those games, we all have those moments, but it is genuinely so fun just all the time. It's such it's so different from any other sport, so it's just such a unique experience. It's cool.
The bowling team is a great opportunity for all students. It is very fun and a great bonding experience. Make sure to contact Mr. Looney if you'd be interested in joining. I'd like to thank Mr. Looney and the entirety of the girls bowling team for their time. For Shawnee TV, I'm Emme Weimer.